Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my channel again. Good afternoon to all of you. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and likes. Today is April 23, 1:30 p.m. in Australia. And that, this is now my new hair done from myself today for 1.5 hours. So, and that I will show you the big park here, 3 kilometers where I live. That is the fish pond, I think. So, the beautiful one, and that is why that is the popular, one of the popular park in Lower Austria. So nice. So there are still trees without leaves because it is not the other trees like this one. They are already leaves, but the other one is this trees are the leaves are growing very slowly, like maybe in uh, from May, month of the May, because there are also trees that they are already leaves, uh, but some of them are still without no leaves like this. So it will um, grow, yes, some of the some of the trees will the leaves will grow soon. So look at this, guys, the beautiful ducks. Hello ducks. So lady, one lady and one gentleman. Really nice. So beautiful. Today is really nice, but still little bit cold. The weather is still um, 13 to 14 degrees Celsius. So I have my what do you call this? Anong tawag dito? Sando. May sando pa ako. Tapos ito pa yung damit ko. May makapal pa akong stockings. At yan pa ang baon kong blazer. Kasi kapag lumamig siya, at least meron akong pwedeng pagpalit-palitan. Kasi pag wala, minsan talagang magkakasakit ka kung kulang ka sa suot eh. So, kailangan talaga na merong baon. So, sinuot ko ulit itong pulang damit kasi gusto ko siya. Malaki pa rin. Talagang malaki yung tiyan ko, bilbil ko, pero at least nasa 47 kilo ako ngayon. Wala na ako sa 48. So, unti-unti na siyang bumabawas kasi 3 araw akong I eat since 3 days a little bit rice, vegetables, and little bit pork, and also 2 times a day biking. So it helps me really good for my diet plan. So almost 1 kilo I lost just 4 days ago. So really nice. That is a good news for me because I feel that I am comfortable, very comfortable if I am not 48 kilo. 48 kilo for me is a little bit too much. So 45, 46 is my I love 45 kilo or 45 to 46 kilo. 47 and 48 is a little bit heavy because I am not big, because I am not long legs. I am just 149 centimeter. So that is why I have to continue my diet plan. So nice fish pond. So I will look another space. So look at this one, guys. I will show you again. The trees are slowly greener, and the leaves are growing day by day. So, and soon in 2 weeks, 3 weeks will completely green and nicer than now. So that is very beautiful. Kasi po, minsan pag tinitingnan nyo yung mga kahoy, para silang akala nyo patay sila, pero yun pala natutulog lang. Pag November po yan, pag December hanggang December, January, February, March, wala po silang kadaon-daon. Talagang brown na brown sila. Pero pag ganito, magsimula ng April, unti-unti nang tumutubo yung mga dahon nila. Kagaya niyan. So, kaya ang ganda tingnan. Tapos ito naman po ang kanilang lucky bambus. Lucky bambus. So, ang ganda. Nice. Ang ganda rin ang ganda rin ng kanilang fish pond. Kasi ang lawak. Maganda kasi park na siya, tapos mayroon pang fish pond, kaya maganda sa popular siyang pasyalan. Ayan, ganyan, dami mga namamasyal. So 7 minutes na ako, so mayroon pa akong 7 minutes na mararating. Kutin natin. Hila-hila ko rin kasi ng aking bike. So dahil yan po ang aking sasakyan pag ako'y nagmo-model at pumasok ng trabaho, kasi nakakatipid na po ako ng pamasahe kapag ako'y nagbabike. Hindi na ako maggagasolina at nakakatulong pa po sa aking pag-diet, kasi hindi po ako tumataba. Kahit ang lakas-lakas ko pong kumain sa lahat ng mga kakilala ko, mga kaibigan ko, ako lang po ang pinakamalakas kumain. Yung hindi kasi ako nakakakontrol dun sa kanin. Marami talaga. Tapos pag nagulam ako, minsan adobo, ang dami. Tapos minsan pritong isda, ang dami. So, dito po ako bumabawi sa exercise, sa panay naglalakad. Kahit nga kasama ko yung dalawa kong mag-ama, bababa talaga ako ng extra. Tapos maglalakad ako. Kasi sinasanay ko na po yung sarili ko na maglalakad ako ng madalas, kasi naniniwala po ako na I believe that if you walk every day, it will keep the doctor away. So 10,000 steps a day, yun po ang ating sundin, kasi very healthy for our body and soul. Mental health nga ang sinasabi nila. Mental and physical health. Napakaganda po ang 10,000 steps a day. Minsan hindi ko naman po nakukumpleto. Minsan nagagawa ko lang is just sometimes it's just 5,000 to 6,000 steps a day. Exclusive na po, exclusive my time in the work. So about sometimes it's just 6,000 to 7,000 steps. So ayan na po so that is the other part of the fish pond. So nice. So nice, guys. So you can walk here every day just to complete your, if you want to complete your 10,000 steps a day. So it's a perfect place. Today is so the flowers. Windy again. Windy. Very windy and cold. Little bit colder than. So very nice trees, the big trees in this park. So nice. Sunny day but colder than actual temperature because of the wind. So that is the whole park here. Today is Friday, April 23, Austria, Europe. Oh, a little bit cold. I like little bit cold because of the wind. So the rose area, different kinds of roses are here. So the people work for the rose area. In 3 weeks to 1 month will be beautiful place here. So that is also the other part of this park. Beautiful trees and the sky, blue skies. Look at this, guys. Very nice tree. So, magmo-model-model muna ako ng konti dito. Kasi mamaya ano na naman yung buhok ko. Ay naku, malapit nang tapos.